Welcome to Talk World. It's a new day, new joy, new menu. It's today I made some creative idea that let me take this one out for safety. So I had some idea that why not I can make it Korean style, which is a little bit my style too. The fried rice from Chinese sweet and sour soup. Yesterday I got some sweet and sour soup from my friend, and then today like wow, why not? I can make Korean style and my style Korean food. So I put the sweet and sour soup. It is soup about less kind of about 2 cups of soup. Okay, I put it into the pan and then I fire up and then I added 2 spoons of beef, cooked beef with the celery and into it, and then also I put the sesame oil, Korean sesame oil, 1 spoon, and soy sauce, 1 spoon, and Korean sesame seed, 1 spoon, and then I stir until the water evaporate. The soup become a thicker and thicker. Is no longer is soup. It is, and then I stir fry, and then oh yeah, one more thing. 1 spoon of this Korean red pepper powder. It's a spicy red pepper powder. I put it 1 spoon. This, and then I mixed, and then I stir fry. After that, one roasted seaweed. I crush it, and then on top of that. So let's get into it. That's really good. And I put it's about this much bowl of jasmine rice. Usually I like the sticky rice, but jasmine rice is fluffy, but smells good. So I used the jasmine rice this time. Let's try. Mm. It is not sweet and sour soup. I can tell the back end, the sweet and sour taste, but also I have a spices in from the red pepper powder, and the texture of beef, and then the Korean kim, which is a Korean seaweed. Is it is tastes like it's a Korean food, but kind of mixed with that sweet and sour taste. So kind of mixed taste. Oh, mm. Oh man, be careful. It's hot, still hot. Ooh, pretty good fried rice. Um, rice is really soft, and I like a dynamic taste. What do I need to call this rice? Since I put this little spicy, so let's put the spicy sweet and sour fried rice. How about that? Oh, you can see the beef right there. Aside here, this is the beef. Oh, not bad. It's pretty good, pretty good. I'm thinking, sometimes someday or one day we just have only we got, you know. But instead of complaining what we have right now, sometimes not much. Maybe one bowl of sweet and sour soup only. No rice, no side dishes. But instead of complaining what we have or lack of something, we felt like it, right? Or complaining about the situation, current situation that feel like lack of something, so not enough, you know. It could be money, resources, or relationship, or even house, small house, or not much of ways you get from your job. Instead of complaining, be grateful that what we have. Like be grateful that I'm grateful for have sweet and sour soup. Usually, I don't eat Chinese food often, but Chinese food is one of good food, right? They're making good food. Because I don't really have a much of a deep, experience or something like that. My favorite food is Korean food and American barbecue steak, those kind of things. I like a grill and you know. But I'm grateful that I have something I could work on. So when you feel like you don't have much, but instead of complaining, just start thinking how grateful we are to start up something, some small thing we can start, and you can think about how you can add or contribute to make better food or better relationship or better environment. Oh, it's spicy, so kind of my nose running. Then the light comes up with your mind, your heart, your body. You can feel it in a more positive way. So you have energy to move on. Your brain function is getting idea that, oh, what if I do that? What if this, do that? So cool. So you can have a great advantage and chance to create something, make better place or better situation and better outcomes. What I see is this: if you thinking being grateful and feel gratitude that what you have, and then the enlightenment and the wisdom and good idea is kind of like connecting together, and then it'll be a better outcome, and then better happiness, better joy, and better outcome, right? Better attitude, right? So if you do those kind of that way, then your DNA is changed to more stronger, more innovative, more humble, more submissive, and more responsible, more trustworthy, kind of like that, right? Because why? Same feather gathered together. So it's a goodness is kind of start up, then other goodness kind of adding up and gather up together and create bigger one. That's my concept. We're talking about. So I have a sweet and sour soup, about 2 cups, right? But I added red pepper powder, sesame oil, Korean sesame oil, soy sauce, sesame seed, and then seaweed. Yeah. So, and then create this fried rice, right? Out of the soup. So you have a two menu: sweet and sour soup and the fried rice, right? But if you only thinking, oh, I just only have like just a little bit leftover that sweet and sour soup, that's it, and then you're not gonna have this rice because you're not motivated, you're not thinking, you know. Anything you sometimes like today, I went outside. Um, was raining and snowing and it was cold. But I went out there and I accomplished something that I want to have, right? So whenever you want to do something good, always have oppositions like against you, but don't give up with that because of those opposite force kind of against you. Doesn't mean the reason to give up, doesn't mean the reason to just sit down, doesn't mean the reason to just despair, you know. Have a dream and hope, you have faith and love, persistence. That's all good stuff, right? Life is kind of like that every day. But aren't you grateful that we are alive? We breathe. We can eat. That's all matter, right? I have a great conversation with you in the morning. I had a good, spicy, sweet, and sour fried rice. And I am thankful that we have a kind of this place to kind of interact each other. Have a great, wonderful day, or some area is night. Have a good time, and see you soon. It's Talk Lord.